will applying for a mortgage hurt my credit score?
The short and simple answer is no, it won't. The impact of having a mortgage person do a pull on your credit report is minimal. We're talking maybe 3 points that will hurt your score when the mortgage person pulls it. However, there's a thing called a shopping window. So if you have 5 pulls within a 30-day shopping window for a mortgage, that is only considered one inquiry on your credit report, so it only impacts you as if it were just one.
Right, so if you are shopping your mortgage around to a couple different lenders, as long as it's fewer than 5, it's not going to have any further effect.
As long as it's within 30 days. It can be more than 5, but as long as all those polls are within 30 days, they're considered a single inquiry on the credit report, so the impact on the score is minimal.
Excellent. Thank you.